Your attitude out there is making a difficult situation even worse.
My only concern is for Jake's well-being, and nothing more.
Well-being? How? By insulting Jake's parents in there?
Those issues needed to be discussed.
You could have done it with a little more tact.
Perhaps, but that doesn't change the fact that those individuals out there might not be suitable guardians for Jake.
Those individuals you're referring to out there just happen to be his mother and father.
Which doesn't mean that they're making the right decisions for him. He's far more likely to succeed here other than Minson High. I'm sure you'll agree.
That's not an option, Bob, and not your call to make.
Are you planning on taking him out of this school?
That's not what I'm saying, Bob.
So he can get in the fights every day at the other school?
What makes you so sure that's going to happen?
I'm not sure.